Right then, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what the charts have for us today. Let's start with EU first. Huh? Okay, so let's do it's taken Asia low. Got equal lows there. Oh god, yeah, exactly like equal lows to the T. We can get rid of this and just keep that. Actually, you can keep that. Yeah. It looks like price is gonna go down. Looks like on euro. So we keep an eye on that. And it makes sense as well because you had all of this price to attack, yeah. First leg, second leg, plugged into that supply zone, bit risky, broke structure there. Did it break? God damn it, why does it keep breaking through initial levels and then walking around at the next ones, man? So annoying. Anyway, I'd want that to be the supply zone that takes it lower. Although there is cleaner. Yeah. So let's see what happens here. Oh man. Oh shoot. My voice news connected. Have a quick look at news then, innit? So what happened with news? Did anything happen overnight? No. Oh yeah, my live stream started 3 minutes ago. Well, a bit longer than that. Anyway. No news overnight. UK retail sales forecast 1. Oh fucking, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Not good at all. Oof. Right, the news for pound was actually really bad. That does not help any narrative at all. Ouch. Or GBP. Big ouch. Anyway, UJ. I mean, price wants to keep going higher. These are the levels to look for. There's always a likelihood it could come down in reverse because you have a win rate, therefore there's a losing rate. I call the market around 70% of the time, sometimes 80, so there's a chance I could be wrong by 20/30%. So we shall see. Me, it's more the case of price calm, took these lows and then moved on.
South Korea FX official says South Korea is closely monitoring the FX market and will take steps if needed.
Now you have to be careful because you've got build up right there. But during most of Asia, build up, sweep, break structure, build up, sweep, fail to break structure, build up, sweep, break structure. Nothing there really. Can't really say anything yet. All I can say is that there's an invalid zone there. It looks like that might fail. That's it. I've got nothing else. I've got nothing left. As Ian Beale would say, oh god, I've got nothing left. This is beautiful. That's beautiful price action. What can I use? The card's looking clean, man. Order flow. Missed that one there. Come back, took out that into a demand zone, and then continue going higher with the invalid zone sat right at the top here. That's what I'm thinking. But that's the only thing I can say, unless you say apply demand zone, then that. Yeah, I suppose so. If we start getting price shifting, then I'll have to consider that. It just rallied all the way up, really. There wasn't really any thing I could say about that. Yeah, I can't say anything about this sort of price action yet on GJ, except I think that's an invalid zone. You've already tagged this one down here. Gold and silver really quick. Ah, yeah. Invalid zone. Look at those. I sold off hard, man. 120 pips in just like how many minutes? Fucking hell, 7 minutes. That's freaking insane. Wow. Okay. Fair play. Fair play to you, Silver, my boy. Honestly, price can take some sort of actually. Fuck. Could that be what it needs to go higher? Possibly. Makes sense. Price generally across the board looks like it's gonna go bearish, as in EUGU down, USD CAD most likely up, UJ most likely up. GJ probably following what UJ does. Probably because I'm not sure what's going on with the pound. Got 2 losses yesterday. Let's see if you can catch a nice clean trade today, make some money back. That was wrong mentality, man. Catch trade today, see if it lands in profit. If not, it's okay. I can't control the markets, I control what I do in the market. There we go. I almost had a negative thought psychologically then.
At 2:45 AM Eastern Time, we get French business climate overall forecast 94, prior 94, and business climate manufacturing forecast 99, prior 100.
Ah. Alright, so next bit of news anyway, 7:45, not that big of a deal, then 9 o'clock. Okay, let's see. Firstly, I want to go short Euro USD, Pound USD. I think it's going to take out that low and keep going lower in all honesty. I'm guessing it's going to go down to about here. And how far is that? Like a 15 pip move. That's what my guess is.
At 2:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French business climate overall, forecast 94, prior 94, and French business climate manufacturing, forecast 99, prior 100.
Volume on the low side. It just took out a bunch of highs here, then dropped down. It's completely valid. Bounced off the midline. So break, retest, structures continuing to go down. So that would be my zone to short from. Induce that high, drop there. You got gaps there. Then you did a bit of a pullback, created a new supply zone, drop there. Hopefully that tags and there's no issues. Let's look at UJ and CAD. Is just so from what I can see on CAD, oh shit, the drop down took that channel out beautifully and then it's rallied up from here. I don't know if this is gonna be the right zone. I'm not sure. 0.7, 1.7, 1, 2, 3. Could I do 0.5? Yeah, fuck it, I'll do 0.5. In your ass here. It should go. I prefer it goes higher, creates a cleaner demand zone, then does a pullback because I don't like the look of this here. It's valid, but I just don't like the look of it.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with French business climate overall.
Yeah. Do it.
$94.94 as expected. French business climate manufacturing 102 higher than forecast.
That's already
99.
gone in, man. Fuck. I didn't get a chance to even get into that, damn it. Oh, price took it out there. Okay.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on the subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
I might be a loss. I got in at 83, so that was not a good zone. Ooh, close to taking a L on ACG accounts. They got reduced risk anyway. Need it to push down from here. long as you start to get a strong push down, yeah, then that's a-okay. The ACG accounts are not gonna be as good because obviously they got taken at a higher level. This is what it is. We just need to start seeing a nice comfortable push to the downside, and then that kind of is ideal. I'd like to think of that as a supply zone. So we're in profit on that account. We're in profit on the personal account. Let's just see if it keeps going or not. In this IFOs whatever are not red folder, right? Oh, thank god, the orange folder, beautiful. Are they on Forex Factory? I don't think so. Yeah, wicked. We got no news restrictions, so I shouldn't have broken any rules. See where it goes. So if funded accounts in profit by 260, obviously that's in 2% drawdown, so let's see if it's gonna continue that movement to the downside or not. I'm gonna reduce risk off of this as well, by the way. Hard saying. That's still coming down. 1 pip in profit. I did manage to catch a 2 pip SL on this. I would have caught a better SL, a better entry if I'd have just, oof, that'd have been amazing. But it still would have been 2 pips anyway on Euro USD regardless. We're starting to move now. Almost 1 R up. I've reduced risk on the next account because they had a much tighter stop. So that's going to basically be almost like $100 loss, probably $200 including commissions at this point. So we'll see. But as long as dollar does continue its push up again, then we should be a-okay. Should being the word. This account took it at 90, fell at 07. Yeah. Then as soon as it breaks on M1, the structural zone, so probably that low there, that's going to be the break-even point. So once we get a body close below this level, oh fuck, then we got break-even. So let's just see where this goes. And then where was that next level? Right down there, which is around 15-16 pips 8R. Let's see if it actually manages to work its way there. If it does, fantastic. If not, it is what it is. Need to be careful because price could also come and just reverse and slap us at, you know, a small loss. So gotta be careful. Oh, nice. That's nice. Yeah, I like that. Well done. And as I said, the minute it breaks that structure, we're gonna go straight to break even. USD CAD not looking to push up. That's fine for now. All accounts are in profit. I have reduced risk on some of the on the 200k account 3-step I reduced risk, and the 100k account 3-step I reduced risk from the same broker. We're doing a quick move back up. Quick move back up. I'd like to see rejection now. Because that was a big candle on its way back up, man. Just tag in. Yeah, there you go. It's took me out. So it's just a $228 loss, which is fine on the funded account. Let's see what happens with. Okay, there got taken out. And there. Right. Okay, that was very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Tagged in, had a nice move down. If it literally did another 0.7, 0.8, I could have had a break even, but these markets are mangled anyway, so I'm not even surprised. Genuinely, I'm not even surprised. Three losses in a row. Beautiful. Oh no. Oh bollocks, wrong thing. Right, then let's keep going. Oh, you kidding me? Let's see what happens now. Oh, I would have still been in there if I didn't move there. Oh dear, this is funny, man. This is funny. Should have left the SL where I left it. Instead, I moved it like an idiot. That was my fault. So I've took 3 losses, 2 were mistakes. That's unacceptable. That's literally unacceptable. Yesterday, the reducing risk made sense because the trade was kind of risky. This one was valid. There's nothing risky about this one. And I reduced risk, so yeah, that's bad, you know. Fuck's sake. More upset with myself than anything. On the bright side, it's not a full L anyway, so that's fine, but suppose we wait and see. It could have given a break even, reversed straight tagged it, so there's no point getting emotional over it. That's not going to help anyone or anything. So let's see what actually is going to happen. And there might be another trade for us to take that could claw things back anyway. Oh, wrong mentality. There might be another trade we can take anyway. That might be valid, so let's just... Very unfortunate though. I'm saying. Unless it dips again, drops down leaving another zone, then that's going to be the only zone to go from. Here you go. USD CAD's not doing much. Come down, took all these out, and then flew up. I'd like to say CAD's still going long. I'm gonna take a stab at CAD longs. Once it breaks that level and starts to come down. Well, that works as well, I suppose. I need to be careful because then you've got build up, beep as well. But generally, price has been bullish through Asia anyway. So we see. Set it there so you got a bit of chance to make a decision. It'd be 2.6 pip SL on GU. You continue that push further down. Coming from dollar strength, following obviously all this stuff. Even just reading price action here, we took out all these highs moments before London come, which was the same time all this happened here on GU. Another reason why I should have waited is because GU tagged the invalid zone. Ah, you idiot. I should have waited for GU, man. Because GU still wasn't out of the zone. Right, okay. Yeah, that's fair, man. Mistakes happen. It is what it is. So that balanced and kind of balanced that candle out anyway, which is fine. I'm glad I reduced risk, it helps. Right, so how much was the risk on the 200k and the 100k 3-step then? That should have also been somewhat reduced. Ah, beautiful. Nice, nice, small, small. Very nice. That was 150. That's good because I've got $900,000 left on that account. I might fail them. I see me failing those accounts. They did have an aggressive risk though, so it is what it is. Man, why is it gonna give me big SL, man? Asshole. Hush hal halam. Oh. Completely valid, yep. That's at 45. That should have triggered on here also. Triggered on the ACG accounts. It should have triggered on here. Why hasn't it? Brother, it's in your zone. What's wrong with you? Brother, why not in the zone? There you go. Now it took it. far as I'm concerned, this is a valid trade. Can't see anything wrong with it. There's no correlation and stuff I can use anyway, so it's either gonna have to work or not. I'm gonna have to hold this one for a while because I'm gonna have to need it to do some damage. Me to pull myself out. If I take another L, I'm done for the day. But this needs to work or I'm literally done. Let's try and do this shit stuff again. Another loss, I'm done for the day. I'm done, screw this. I'm just gonna end up getting really angry. This guy. What a guy, man. Funded's now in almost a 3% drawdown. I think that's my worst drawdown I've ever had on a funded. It's fine. It is what it is. Move, man. I just don't know if we're gonna get enough volume for that. This year, sure. This year, sure. Hit. So yes, it would have been a break even. Yes, it would have probably come back and tagged it now anyway. It is what it is. It was a valid trade. If I took it after you took that invalid zone, which obviously didn't until later on here. Let's just look at that. Let's compare it. All that first, because none of that matters. All that. That entry was there after it tagged the invalid zone. Come up to here, broke the level there. This broke structure. This broke out that level, then dropped. There was the entry, or there was the entry, but that tagged that would have been there, and then that would have come on. So you would have took a L on GU anyway. What's happened to the music? Why didn't it go to the next one? Bollocks. We put an account, didn't we? How much was the loss on that one? How much about that all? Oh, it was tiny loss. Tiny loss. Man got mangled by the market today. Market was like, Assalamu alaikum, open your ass for me. I'm going to deal with you today. You will be my bitch. I will penetration in the initiation for you today. You will not feel your ass for a long time, Habibi. Man, 2.6% drawdown. Or about these accounts, and how bad is these? Okay, 80% drawdown and 85%. Wowzer. Because it's percent-based risk, it shouldn't be that bad anyway. Let's look at ACGs. That's in a 7% drawdown. Right, let me look at... No, was the loss on that account? 10k in it. Yeah, 10k. Well, this account had bare losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses in a row. And then 1 win. And then 1 break even, and then 1 break even, and then a loss, and then a fat win, then a loss, then loss, then a fat win, then a loss, then loss, then a break even, then a loss, then a break even, then a loss, then a loss. Yeah. So that's on 0.5% risk. I'm gonna stick to 0.5% risk on that account. I'm paying so much in commissions. I had 1650 in the personal, now I've got 1470. Oof, almost lost 200 of personal money, man. Come on then, let's see where price is gonna go. Oh fuck. Bro, I literally felt like this when it happened. So look, G was inside the invalid zone, yeah? But EU broke it. So I took a shot. I reduced the risk, yeah, to this high. So instead of being 2 pip SL as 1.7, it tagged it, then it gave break even. What the hell, bro? What the hell, bro? Yeah, first of all, I didn't realize that, yeah. That's me, bro, I swear down. I swear down. And then I looked at GU and I was like, oh my god, I shouldn't have taken that trade because that was still in an invalid zone all this entire time. I shouldn't have taken it. So I've made one mistake here. I made one mistake yesterday on UJ. Was it UJ? Yeah. I don't like using disgusting wicks as breaks of structure, as you know, yeah. First leg, second leg. Then basically that wick there didn't like that. No, that was valid. Yeah, that was valid. That was actually... I didn't take it from that leg there because that happened. So I took it from here. Yeah, so I shouldn't have done that trade because that wick rejection is disgusting for a break of structure. Yes, it didn't touch that supply. It should have had a stronger body and then I could have taken it from this candle here. Ah! I know why I took it from here, because you had these lows here and I thought price is going to take these lows out into this demand zone. But once again, this structure break was not good. That was disgusting. So I don't class that as a break of structure. And then I took it. So made a mistake there. One mistake. That's fair. One can happen. You can make mistakes, yeah. But the last time I made 2 mistakes, bro, in a row, probably my first month of trading. Where I revenge trade. So that was bad. And then obviously here, invalid zone there. Yes, it broke. Yes, it failed. Beautiful trade. Looked at GU. Wait a second, brother. That's not good. It's not good. And then USD CAD, yeah. Because me, I wanted a long on USD CAD. From here, price ran off, yeah. So it broke out, and that's the most recent zone. Took it from the most recent zone, covered that, tagged in, gave a lovely reaction initially, and then it was like how far from giving me a break even? It's 0.7 pips away giving me a break even. So it was, look at Euro, yeah? Euro was 0.6, 0.7 pips away from giving a break even. So yeah. Markets are shit. But I should have only taken this USD CAD loss, that's it. I shouldn't have taken this loss. I shouldn't have taken the loss before on USD JPY. Very unfortunate, man. But I've reduced the risk anyway. On all the accounts, because some of my accounts are in a deeper drawdown now, so I've reduced risk anyway. Okay, what were you saying? Of course I'm learning from this. I learn from every trade, bro. I felt my psychology starting to slip because I was saying negative things. I said something like, oh, if I win this trade, I can make the money back. I was like, yo, wait a second. That's not good. That's not good at all. We have prop firm to pass when you master it. Yeah, don't be. Yeah, I know. This is what, like, I say my psychology is so good. Which firm? Tell me, I'll have a look. You didn't say the name yet. I think I got angry because, well, bored, like emotional, whatever, because the markets have been shit. Exceptionally. No, you didn't. You said, oi, loser. Oh, you can't. You're not moderator. Add moderator. Standard moderator. Done. Okay, send the link now. Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's I've gave you mod now, innit? Only mods can send links. So drop it in the chat. sfxfunded.com. They don't sound good already. But let's have a look. I'm gonna quit the stream soon though, because I'm not staying on the charts any longer. I'm just gonna sit there and get pissed off. I just want to see, was I right in calling price? Had they been everyone, huh? I don't trust reviews. Have you not realized? Reviews, yeah, of firms, oh, they're really good support. They're really good support. They're really good support. D Benny, have they fucking gave you a payout or not, man? It's like with Conteco, they're really good support. They're really Abhishek from Calcutta. I can't trust some pen Sikha. I shouldn't say that. I got Indian viewers. Yeah, I will do. I got Indian viewers. That's a really bad thing to say. I'm not assisting some random Indian guys to leave views online if they haven't been paid out. Like, that's dumb. You know what I mean? That's what Conteco did as well, man. All these 30 firms, yeah, they just lick the arse in it. Bro, there's people in the Discord moaning, yeah, about their payout. One guy got the payout. Thank you very much, sir. You're very fantastic service, sir. You pay very fast, sir. I was waiting 3 months, but you fix really good, sir. That's me. Why are you licking the arse for? Just say I got my payout after 3 months. That's it. Don't say nothing more. Don't say nothing less. Thank you, sir. Fucking idiots. When you get dudes like that, it annoys me, man. Okay, let me have a look. I'll use DCAD's doing cook anyway. Cook all. But gold, nothing, silver, dripping. Okay. Alright, so SF funded. Window capture, brave. Is this the one? Okay, let's go straight to the bottom. Based in Dubai, that's 50-50. I don't trust this shit anyway. These things are just like random words they can pull out of their own arse. Don't trust stuff like that. Let's have a look then. Why they got weird account sizes for, man? Why is the 200k account $375? That's weird. 50% off, buy one, get one free. Nah, this is dodgy, bro. This is dodgy. The discounts are too much. How you make your money, man? Instance or worse, they have consistency rules and shit like that. Look, random. Where's it show the FAQs in it? So, trading programs, instant funding, minimum trading days, 10 days. So you have to have 10 minimum trading days. Yeah, and then it'll probably be some sort of consistency rule. Trailing drawdown, which is bad. That's yeah, that's a no. Let's look at the two-step in it. Static is good. 5 minimum trading days per payout. That's not good. That means that they might I don't like this. They don't have the rules on the website. Where's the fucking rules, man?
At 4 a.m. Eastern time.
They don't even have the rules. This is red flag 101.
Prior 83 spot 3. Current conditions forecast 85 spot 1 prior 85 spot 4.
Do you need a SL?
Business
What's
plan
max
forecast
risk
86
limit?
spot 2 prior 85 spot 4.
Is there? See, look, you have to... Fucking idiots. I knew it. 0.5% per 5 days. That's fucking dirty. Yeah, I found it. No copy trading software is permitted. Fuck you, man. That's me. Fuck you, man. So I can't even copy trade on it. And I use EAs. Trade or risk manager. So they won't let me use a trade copier either. Fucking put those. What's considered over leveraging? So they have a margin rule. They have margin rule. They got a margin rule. They got 0.5% over 5 days. They don't let you use a copy. They don't let you use a trade copier. They have they have 50% discount off and buy one get one free, which is fucking insane, yeah. And they've only been around for what, 2 years? 2 years? Yeah, I don't like it, bro. Honestly, they have to be around for 2 to 3 years minimum, absolute minimum. They have to have all the rules on the website, and if there's too many rules, it's gonna be hard as fuck. And if they got too many rules and they're expensive, they probably will pay out. If they got too many rules and they're cheap, they're not gonna pay out. They're literally not gonna pay out. They're gonna do what Quantecal does. They have loads of rules, but they have bad discounts, and then they make you wait months and months and months. They make you go through interview after interview. Then they pull out some bullshit answer. Oh yeah, you've done this rule. What are you on about? Yeah, that's a no for me, bro. That's a no for me. That's me getting mangled by the markets here. No, 4 losing trades. USD JPY. 4 losing trades. So what was my losing streak? Between I think 6 and 8, yeah? So let's see how bad this one goes. Bearing in mind I made valid loss. I wanted to take it from here. I feel like this is a invalid trade. I feel like that. And then you had this one here, which I shouldn't have taken. And then USD card. Oh, bloody hell, man. I don't know. What do you want to have? The account's in 2.6% drawdown on the funded next. So I'm going to do a 0.4% risk. So then either it's a 3% drawdown, or if I do get partials, it'll bring me back to around break even and stuff like that. This is why I'm so strict on my trading, bro. Do you see why? Like, there's a reason why I have to be strict. You can't fuck around and mess up, man. You have to be like on it. And I lost 200 in my personal account as well. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. I just want those to pay out for the 200k accounts so I can funnel it back into the personal. Yeah, you have to be patient, man. They're not even replying here, huh? They don't even fucking reply. So I sent it in the Discord, yeah? The first message in it, where I said to them, I can't really in it, because the agreement was, yeah, that they give me my payout and they refund me if I can give them a receipt in it, yeah, for the 200k account. Can't seem to find a receipt because it's like 2 fucking years ago, and I bought on a credit card and that credit card has been closed down now. Like, I've boxed that account off in it. I can't fucking get the statement for it. So I put in the chat back in the 7th of May. Mods, I need help. I was forced to sign something for my payout, and the agreement was I'll also get a refund on my account. It's been 2 months. I have the evidence of the agreement. I've messaged Mark and Alex a few times and no response. I've tagged Mystic numerous times. He also doesn't respond. I'm making a video in case I get unjustly banned from to post on my YouTube channel, FX Bashy. I'll give it another month before posting. It gives me more time to get the evidence. I'm happy to stop once I get my refund as agreed with evidence. If this is deleted by a mod or anyone, or I'm removed, this will also go into evidence. Then I got deleted. The message got deleted, and then one guy commented saying lol. Know what the fuck the point of that was. And then I think the next picture, which picture was it where the mod messaged me then? Mystic, innit? So he deleted me, and he deleted my message, or he replied to my message saying DM me, and then he deleted it so no one could see it. But then I told him, he goes, what's the issue you're facing? I put, finally, thanks man, I signed the form to off-board with you to get, I got my payout, but we also agreed I'd get a refund for my 200k account. I bought the account when it was a Sendex. I sent to the email proof of my account details. I said I didn't get confirmation of price. I just remembered it's a 200k and I used the 50% off code Yerimi. Alex himself swapped the account from MT5 to C Trader because that was when you lost the MT5 license. So Alex manually gave me content, showing him the picture in the DMs of me and Alex talking on Discord, where he's literally goes, sorry about the delay bro, I've gave you a free account for your inconvenience, the 50k. That's what I got the payouts on. I got the payouts on the free 50k. And then he manually did the account swap over for me. Me and him got along good, bro. Back in the Sendex days, we were all right. Like, we were chill. Used to reply to me. Used to get along really well. And I sent him the screenshot of him, you know, giving me the account and how he's manually swapped it over and stuff like that. Yeah. And this is my chat with Thingy. And then I goes, I'm happy for a refund for the 200k account with whatever 50% discount code is. I don't use QT anymore. I just want my refund. Mark agreed to it, so I'm done. Like, I just want the refund. Mark agreed to, so I'm done. I already have my payout, thankfully. I have no account left, just the 200k I want my refund for. I'm guessing it's not going to be that expensive to pay me. It's probably like £400 to £500 or whatever for a 200k account. And then once I get paid, I leave. That's what it goes. I'm done in it. Like, you don't need to chat to me anymore. Then he goes, I'll speak to Alex. I put, when shall I hear back? No response. And then I go, just tell him I want my refund and I'm happy to leave, bro. I won't mention QT to anyone or anything. That was on the 7th of May, yeah? Then I replied on the 11th of May, a few days later, saying I haven't heard anything. Then I replied on the 12th of May to Mystic, saying I haven't heard anything. He goes, hello. I said, hi. Question mark. He goes, I'll check with Alex again. I said, okay. He goes, you can message him as well. I goes, bro, he never replies to me. It's better that you message him and you explain the situation to him and show him the evidence. I've messaged the guy 3-4 times and he doesn't reply. I sent him the screenshot of that. I goes, this is what I posted in the Discord because everyone's ignoring me and Mark too. What am I supposed to do? That was on the 12th of May. Then I messaged him on the 15th of May. Hello, any update? 18th of May. It's been 11 days, bro. There's no news yet. Have you spoken to Alex? What did he say? And then Alex posted in the Discord on the 20th, yeah, about all the payouts. So I replied saying, yo, can you get my refund sorted, please? Did Mystic message you? I've been trying to get hold of you for a while. No reply. Then he replied again to something else. I guess check DMs now. And then he goes, is there a please in there? And then I replied, and then I edited it saying please. And then he goes, thanks for such a polite message. I'm a little busy. I'll do it later. Hoodie, sorry, yeah, I'm off-boarded with you, man. Just give me the refund and chip in it. That's me, fucking hell. The only reason why I want it is, one, I paid for the account. Two, that's going straight into my personal anyway. If I get £400-500, bro, and I've got 1,650 in the personal, that's another 50% growth of the account almost, bro. It's like 40% growth. That's me, they're taking the piss. But the thing is, I've recorded me and the conversation with Mark, yeah? I recorded the conversation where I goes, and I've got screenshots of everything as well, the agreement where he goes, if you get the receipt, we'll give you the refund for the account. Now the issue is I can't get the receipt because you've closed the business down. So I can't even find on your website, yeah, how much I paid for it because you closed the business down and moved it to Quant Tech Hall, yeah? So you can't help me out. My bank accounts, obviously credit card can't close down now, whatever, yeah? As far as I'm aware, if you don't help me resolve that issue, the NDA you made me sign is invalid. then all over YouTube it goes, bro. Screenshots of the Discord, every conversation he's had with all the other guys, how they're changing rules, how everyone's kicking off, everything. I've got all of it, bro. All of the pictures. I've just been screenshotting them, chucking them in a folder. So if they want to be faggots, then they can be faggots, innit? Because I've literally got all the evidence there. So it's not going to go well for them. Because I've just been stamping everything in my little book, innit, whilst I've been going through everything. You get me? But ultimately, yeah, it's not really a lot for them to refund a 200k account. What, like, let's have a look how much they have 200k accounts for now. As long as it's between 400 or 500, I'm happy with that, man. It should be around that region anyway. And the accounts in profit as well. The 200k accounts in profit as well, bro. Yeah, it's in 2.7% profit. That's my dots. So two-step 200k is $700. Yeah, so $700. Account in it, it's on phase 1. I'm in profit on that account, it's on phase 1. So either you let me trade it and you pay me out on that account, and I'll make sure I fucking get paid out on that bastard, bro. Even if it takes me a year, I'll make sure. Or they just pay me out in it, like just refund the account. $700, bro. What's that? Like 600 quid, 550, 600 pound. If they just pay me that out, then I'm happy in it. You know what I mean? Just give me my money so I can go. But the thing is, they've got until the 7th of June to get this fixed. I'm not gonna keep asking them for more time. I'm just gonna start posting videos. I'm gonna say the videos are live. I've got the screenshot. I gave it till the 7th of June. You've took a month to not even respond to me, not even talk to me, yeah? So it's all over YouTube now. And then I'm gonna say, want me to take it down? I'm willing to, but you need to sign an agreement that I'm gonna make through my solicitor, and you have to pay me for each video to take down, each post to take down, as well as give me the refund. I'm gonna milk him, bro. One of my mates is a solicitor. I'm gonna say to him, draft me a contract, bro, that says they have to basically fork out now, innit? Watch, I'm gonna fuck around with them now, bro. Because if I don't get the account, it doesn't matter, yeah? Like, what's it? If I don't get the account, what it is, it's not the end of the world, yeah? But I'm gonna drag them through the dirt as much as I can, because they take the piss. Yeah, fuck him. Yeah, exactly, bro. I'm gonna do live streams and stuff like that, innit? I make videos on and like all that shit about, you know, their firm and stuff. And because I'm in the funded traders chat, yeah, I still see all the information as well. I'm not screenshotting all these other guys' problems, yeah, because I don't care. I probably should start screenshotting the guys who've been waiting for 3-4 months. I probably should. Wait, Mystic sent a message on the Discord. I don't know, when did I'm trying to message him like every 2 days, innit? So I'm not on their case. But recently I've been messaging him every day. I'm gonna message Alex again. It's been 2 days. There you go. Send that message now. I'm gonna screenshot that, add that into our fucking chat. There you go. One more picture. I'll show you here. Check this out, bro. Look at this, yeah? Oh, fuck no. Discord, innit? So have a look here, bro. Look here. So back in, hey, mate, send me your email. I'm gonna sort your account out now. What size is it and phase? Hey, bro. Here's my email. It's 200k. I bought MT5, but want to switch to C-Trade so it's faster. Because they're losing the MT5 license. He goes 2 minutes. I put, yeah. He goes, check your dashboard. I gave you a gift as well. And it's a 50k account. And then after that, it's fine, bro. Like, I goes, I leave you a review and shit as well. And then we got along well, bro. We were like chilling and stuff like that, yeah. And then he used to reply to me and shit like that, bro. And then it's just been chaos, bro. Been trying to get hold of the guy since April. 20th of April, been trying to get hold of the guy. Yeah, exactly. They don't really want to know. And then here's Mark, yeah? So I've got it in the chat as well. Here's where we had the phone call for 12 minutes. That's where I had proof and evidence of everything. I'm going to get rid of that because my crypto wallet. Can I get a refund for my 200k account separately? Yes, as long as you provide receipt for payment. I said I'll be able to. I said, what the fuck? What's going on there? Ignore that. I'll go. Okay, awesome. Signing in now. Sign, bro. Great. I'll process the deets for payment. Then I goes just confirmation and stuff. Then he didn't reply. He goes, what is the man? Still not process. It's meant to. He goes, I'm gonna expedite it. Yeah, so it gets done rapid. I was waiting a week, but I didn't even get my payout. And then he put, give me 5 minutes, I'll chase it up. Yeah, he goes, escalated it to that team. Guess made, I think it took like 2 weeks, bro, after signing an NDA to get my payment. Fucking horrendous. Then I've been messaging Mark, yeah, here on the 21st of April, trying to say to Mark, yeah, that, oh look, I'm having problems trying to get the receipt and shit like that. Any way that you could get hold of Ascendex's details and find the receipt in it, because they was their company. I messaged him, no reply, bro. Literally no reply. Sent evidence, everything. I goes, look, bro, I paid for the 200k account. Alex Manley swapped it over. He knows that the account's legit. Blah blah blah. Then message Mystic, and they just fucking, bro. Like, what do you want me to do, man? Like, what do you want me to do? But then you go to their Discord as well, yeah, and then everyone's moaning about why am I waiting 2 days, 2 hours reply to me, bro. Because just look at everyone's pissed in this in the Discord. Everyone is in the funded chat. At this point, I'm literally begging. This guy's requested on the 12th. He's moaning about the 12th, bro. There's been people waiting for 2-3 months. One of my mates, yeah, a woman, where is she? I have to fucking find her message now. She's been waiting for about 3-4 weeks, 5 weeks, I think. This is the funded chat. Message deleted. The deleted messages as well, bro. I've been waiting. Okay, look, I've been waiting since 27th of March for my payout, yeah? So March, April, May. Bro, man's been waiting 2 months, bro. Understand why it isn't resolved. Weeks have been front of the queue. Final review update soon. Bro, man's been waiting 2 months, yeah? That's nothing. I know guys waiting since January, February, bro. Let's see if we can find any of them. I've been approved but haven't received funds in my wallet. Please, I've been waiting for 5 days. There's another one, bro. How are you approving it and then it's not got... normally, after it's been put on the approval page, you should get it within 48 hours. Man's waited how long? 5 days. That's dodgy. That's dodgy. I've yet to receive my refund and the final payout too. Been 2 months. This guy's in the same situation as me. If it's a refund and a final payout, it means you've been off-boarded. So they're not even paying anyone out. Pussies. And then they keep doing stuff, yeah? Oh, we're migrating accounts, we're doing this, we're doing that, yeah? And Kasmet, I'm telling you, they say it as an excuse, yeah, to say to people, oh, the migration's gonna take a month or something like that, but, or it's gonna take, a week or two, we'll do it really quickly. Then the migration happens, oh, there's some problems, oh, there's delays, all that shit. Whilst they're pumping hard, yeah, 50% discount, 50% discount. They've got no liquidity. They ain't paying traders out. They can't even pay me out fucking £500 just to leave them, bro. They can't even afford. They can't even afford for me to leave. Make that make sense. Make that make sense. Make that make sense, bro. They can't even afford to pay me the cost of the account so I can leave them. They can't even afford that. And their reviews are fake, bro. Their reviews are bare fake. 13,000 reviews. Bro, they don't even have 13,000 funded traders. They don't even have 13,000 traders, bro. What the fuck is this? Now check this, yeah. I'm going to put it in the Discord as well. You know what? Should I? You know what? Yeah. I'm gonna. Okay. One second. I'm literally gonna send it in the Discord again, bro. With all the information. I'm gonna say that they've been ignoring me as well. I'll do live on the stream as well, so then there's no evidence that they can't blag it. Everything's gonna be here now as well. Let me put that into chat GPT and see what it thinks, because I've explained the situation to chat GPT as well, so it knows about the contract and the terms and conditions and all that stuff in it. Let's see what ChatGPT says about this. Nah, I don't want to. It's saying to be like more sensitive about it. Okay. This is giving me a different version. Fuck, I don't want to. Fuck. I don't want to press enter in case it. Let me just do this. I'm following up again regarding the refund request as discussed privately with Mark during the settlement process, and I've been trying to resolve this process since I've been. Let me use that. Yeah, that's a better message. There we go. Right, we'll do this then. There. There we go. That's sent in the Discord. Quickly screenshot that into evidence. Now we see if anyone does anything about it or not. And this on the live stream is there, which is perfect. So we see what happens now, innit? You know what? If we get a nice move, bro, I might consider one more trade, but I think that'll be absolute done for today. And I wouldn't even trade New York after that. I think I'd have to be fully done at that point. What's the news saying? Then we go back to the freaking news, innit? Yeah, I'll look for yeah. I'll look for another one because it's still within the time window. I've expressed anger towards them, so emotional relief has been achieved. Let's fucking see what they do now, then, innit? Customer, how is it so hard to just send a refund? Customer, £500-600, get it done, innit? Those. Right, so on the charts we are. GJ's come up here as well. Oh, we bounced off of here. First leg, second leg. Fuck off. Are you kidding me? I don't know if I would have taken that because that's technically a supply zone. But let's look at this anyway. Bro, there's valid trade. There was valid trade there. That's completely valid. Invalid zone got taken out. And here is demand zone. Dropped down. Tagged it. Flew off. Gave break even. Let's see if that's actually going to go anywhere. Because it might come back and tag break even. Because the markets have been fucking throck, haven't they? They've not really been ideal. Yeah, let's see how that goes anyway then. Because that's already gone. I'm not going to go against that now. Because if it feels like there's a supply zone, yeah. If it was like first leg, second leg, then a pullback down here, it would have been beautiful. It would have gone through all of this, yeah. It would have had a chance to fly through all of that, which is what literally happened here beautifully, yeah. Or you could have taken it from here on the break of that level, but then the problem becomes it's in this supply right here. The price is so compact, yeah, that it's all squished together, bro. There's fucking valid supply zones all over the place, yeah. But how do you know which ones hold, which ones don't? We was sending messages in Discord, weren't we? You were sending messages in Discord. I was doing that for about 20 minutes, since I've not looked at the last 20 minutes of price action. 20-30 minutes, I don't know. It's funny when stuff like this happens. Like, it's funny because like you make mistakes, yeah, and then you do something and then you miss the valid trades. And then when you're on the charts looking every day, bro, nothing's happening. There is no valid trade. That's it. Butt fuckery, man. Butt fuckery galore. So UJ, I don't know what to do with UJ. That don't make no sense. Like I said, just took this low here. Maybe it wants to go up first leg. Second leg is just a dirty wickedness. I don't have to look at that. Hi Mwangi, today's been a very shit day.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Very bad day today. I took too many losses. The 4 losing streak. 4 losing streak. 2 trade no valid. 2 trade no valid. Oh yeah.
Why so weak? So weak. Uncle Roger don't like you. William, nice man.
No good. Account not looking happy today. Oh no. Let's look at USD CAD. What's happened to this bad boy? So that got took out as well, yeah. Minor, I was wrong on that then, fair enough innit. I did say USD CAD was a valid trade. I couldn't find any faults with it. I took a loss on there. That's literally fine. I'm happy with that. Your USD, I got mangled. One guy said, why did my account get breached for no reason? Reason isn't even mentioned. What the hell is going on with Q2? I waited over a week for a payout and now you breached me for no reason. And then in the message, yeah? You know what it says in the email? We want you to succeed. Use the code 45% off. They're breaching people. And then they're saying, you know what? Yeah, we've unjustly breached you, but here's a discount code if you want to come back and give us more funding. If you want to be a liquidity provider, please feel free. That's me. They're really bad, bro. But you know what it is? Haroon, the disgusting thing, Haroon, yeah? Bare firms are like this. Trust me, bare mans are like this, bro. Bare of them are like this. Trust me, bare of them are like this. Like, as I said, they were great at the start. Yeah? And then, because they were like flexible and stuff like that. When they switched to quant techo, the first 6 months was good, 9 months good, downhill after that. Issues started happening. Yeah, but that doesn't matter. Futures is the same thing. It's not CFD versus futures. It's prop firm versus personal accounts. Prop firms are just shit. Until they start giving a book, yeah, Until they start having actual traders making money and they're giving them real funding, like actual contracts and shit, yeah, they're not gonna make money. My friends at FTMO, been trading for 6-7 years, had about 80k in payouts, and he goes, FTMO literally encourages you. They're like, look, we'll give you a book, we'll give you a contract, we'll give you a salary, bro. They literally like encourage, but he goes, nah, I want to trade in demo. He goes, nah, I want to trade in demo. And they literally said that to him, and he's at 80k in payouts, yeah? So unless you're a prop firm where you're actually getting traders to trade with real money, so you're making money as a firm, yeah? If you're not doing that, you can't make money off of demos unless you got failing traders. Too many of them. But the minute you get profitable traders, you're going to get mangled. And with the 50% discount code and stuff like that, too many people are trying to get payouts from Contech. They're realizing we have a severe problem right now. People are trying to make money. Same thing happened with futures. But when I seen one guy on futures, he's floating 50k balance, yeah? The Apex closed, is it Apex? It was a popular futures firm. They closed his trade, bro. And they goes, we're capping it at 50k. I don't know what happened after that. I don't know if they banned him. I don't know anything. Even they are doing dodgy shit. The point is, unless they're actually making money from trading, yeah, they can't pay you out long term. They can't. There's going to be problems. Because the minute everyone hears, yeah, this firm's good, yeah, they pay out, all the fucking top traders are going to go there. The fuckers you make like 60-70k payouts, they're all going to go there. When they've gone there, they've made their money, yeah, and you're trying to become a profitable trader, you're trying to get your $1,000 payout, your $500 payout, you're the one who gets bumfucked. Because they've already milked the firm. Then they start doing all these rules, all these problems, all that, because they're running out of money, bro. That's when they start pumping marketing and stuff like that. This is how it is, innit? That's why I don't see the difference between futures or anything, bro. Unless they're regulated, yeah? Futures is not regulated. It's demo account. You still get rejections, still get payout denials, everything. All of that still happens. I want to go long and use DCAD again. You got all these highs there. You got all these highs there. You got this channel there. You just come back down here. I want, if you would have just done that, like taking this level out comfortably, would have been ideal. And then first leg, second leg, go long. But we have an issue. That's touched the invalid zone. If prices to come down, it'd come down from here. And we're already starting to see on the 5-minute chart, yeah, 4 minutes into, yeah, look at that. Fucking hell, look at that. This is disgusting as well. You've taken that high, bollocks. Taken that high, and then we've just come taking all these lows as well. Is it gonna up or down? I don't fucking know. If you get 2 leg, I'd prefer to go long, and 1 leg, second leg down. GJ first leg, second leg down, but then the issue you've got is, yeah, GJ's been bullish. You took these lows, We rallied off of it. We've just took this channel there. Yes, we've had a volume on that side, but that's because it's melting through that level. But it's took that high. Fuck. Look at GU. GU exactly the same right now. I look for 3-4 more minutes and then I'm done. Honestly, actually, I don't even want to trade. I don't even feel like trading, in all honesty. Man, this is a hard job, bro. This is a fucking hard job. I'm gonna look in New York session. I'm only gonna take one trade in New York, and I'm gonna need that to work, bro. I'm gonna need that to work. Actually, that's wrong mentality. I'm gonna take one trade in New York. I hope it works. If not, minor. It is what it is. I don't see that doing anything in the next few minutes, in all honesty. By USD CAD. I'm gonna keep that where it is. And then GU is fine, UJ is fine. EU's fine. You look at M15. It's actually a shit market. Look at that. Fuck me, that's so bad. GU is much better. There was an entry there, but would there have... Yeah, Tika, go. Chat on Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna probably go in a minute anyway. But even if I did take a trade... Okay, this would have possibly given a partial then. Why did I not look at that? Why did I not look at that? I'm gonna have to watch the stream back to figure out why I didn't look at longs on GU. This is another good thing about streaming. You can look at what you did right, what you did wrong. Should have looked at longs there. Well, that's what happened anyway. Alright, I'm done anyway, boys. Wait, what's gold and silver doing? Ugh, nothing. Oh, I'll stick around for a bit if you want to, Mangi. I'll stick around for another 5-10 minutes if you want to talk or something, but I'm not gonna trade. I've had 2 losses today, and I'm on a 4-loss losing streak. And 2 of those trades I shouldn't have taken, bro. So I've made 2 mistakes. That's really bad. Really bad, bro. Which is why I'm like, just trying to relax, if that makes sense. Off too, buddy. Okay, yeah, that's fine then. No problem, bro. I'll leave you to it. Take it easy, boys. Have a good one. Hit like. I'll trade New York, but I'm gonna wait for a clean setup because the accounts are a bit of drawdown, so I need to like play it carefully, you know. Peace out, lads. See you later. Bye.